It's your.
Hey guys, so today we are looking at things for my daughter's birthday party. I'm in Walmart looking in the cake aisle, trying to see what we can find here. It's a Peppa Pig theme, so I'm trying to get as close as that as possible. All I see is unicorns and things at the moment. We're getting her cupcakes made, but I want a cake, but I don't know if I want to decorate the cake myself. I have the little kits here. And then these over here. Maybe I should do a unicorn cake? Kind of sort, I don't know. It's like I feel like you could do the unicorn cake. Oh, back it up. You can do unicorn cake and I can make it look like a pig because of the ears. And instead of white, do pink. And just flip it. Flip it off. Let's go. So we have Paw Patrol. Peppa Pig is like a big thing, so I'm not quite sure why they don't have it. See, the Lion King, that's gonna be popular because the movie comes out today? No, tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just go with pink plates, honestly. You can get these numbers cheaper at Target. You can get these numbers cheaper at Target. So we might make it a little run at Targets. I was doing Lyft, but it's a little slow. So yeah, don't really know. I still don't see anything Peppa Pig. See glow in the dark stuff. I do need like party favorites and stuff, but I don't like any of these. You get 6 for $2. Not bad. Check this out. Let's see. It says try me, but they don't work. So, well, I think it's supposed to glow. Oh, it does. That's cute. 4. She's gonna be 2. 3, 9, 9, 9. This is how hard it does. I don't think I hate it out. Like coming into like Walmart and stuff. Not all Walmart, but just generally most of them. It doesn't have together. Like I can't have like all the numbers grouped together. And of course, if I needed a 3, it wouldn't have 3. And I need 2. I don't have 2. There are other Walmarts. I was kind of ready this one. I did need a helium tank. Ooh. Little helium tanks. Ooh. $24 for a helium tank is not bad. It includes something. You get the helium tank and you get 30 balloons and white ribbon. Huh. Sounds like a plan. And I can blow up my own balloons. We will consult with Mommy Devin on this because she's in charge of the balloons every year. And I still don't have no Peppa Pig stuff. Like, just unicorn. Alright, guys. I'll be back later. Alright, guys. So, I'm back at home. I actually had got stuck in Walmart and it stopped pouring down rain and my windows were cracked and my seats are soaked. So, yeah. But we got home and Savage X Fenty. I got a fancy box. We'll do a separate video of the unboxing. And then we have this box. All of this, well, I ordered the Fenty. I had to get my Fenty. This one is addressed to Lil Mama. So, you know, let her open that and show you guys what it is. Well, she's not very video-ish today, so I'll probably just insert a clip after this for her birthday. It's next week. Yeah. And then, we have another big box. And we're gonna go ahead and open it. So stay tuned. So I have cut open the box. And we're gonna see what's inside. Ooh, so excited, guys. So I did pick out the right colors for the cups and plates because it kind of matches this with the yellow, the pink, hot pink, and light blue, dark blue. The stickers have purple in them. I guess I could have went with purple cups. Peppa Pig's boots are yellow, so I decided to go with yellow cups because they look the closest to boots. And then, oink oink, the table confetti. This one is, I went off of this. So the light blue, dark blue, light pink, and then Peppa smells like a hot pink. Her dress is red, but it didn't really fit with the construction of the plates. And I don't know. If you have a girl and she watches Peppa Pig, you know Peppa Pig's boots are yellow. So that's what we got there. And then the stickers go on. I ordered this. What is this? It's not Etsy, I don't think. Oh, here we go. I ordered it from customparty.com. This is for returns. Whatever. Yeah. So I ordered from them. I actually just typed it in on Google for Peppa Pig stuff, and it just gave me a list of things. But it comes in this nicer net thingy. I don't know what this material is called, but it comes in this to protect it, I guess, from breaking. And it's a 12 count, so you get the stickers, and you can pick them. They can be white. They can be, they're swirl, so it could be just regular white, I think chocolate, rainbow, and then the pink and white swirl, and then I think a blue and white swirl. So I guess if you were having like a baby shower, like blue and white for a boy, pink and white for a girl, like you put those stickers on this, and it's gonna be so cute for the kitty goodie bags. Like I said, it comes in a 12 count. All I got is a 12 count. I might order more. I'm not really sure. But, yeah. So this is this. And then I guess we'll just put it downstairs with the plates and stuff. And start a little pile to get ready for the party. But I still have things to purchase. I'm not the mom that does the party planning things. I like to do and make everything myself. It's like more personable, and you also save money. Except for stuff like this, I do not know how to make lollipops. Therefore, I would not be making lollipops. I graduated with a degree in hospitality management, but I can bake a cake, but I don't know how to make fondant and all the other stuff. So, I also buy cakes. I try to do business with other black entrepreneurs. If you don't know, I have my own little side thing, and that you got socks, faux locks, and occasionally boho locks if someone asks for curls throughout. But yeah, that's my little zhuzh. Follow me on Instagram at hair.dom in the basement if the lighting sucks. But I'm gonna put all the party stuff in the box. So plates, cups, forks, all that good. And yeah, we're getting started. So back up we go. And somebody's asking for a bye-bye. She wants a baba. A baba. Baba. Say happy birthday. Who's turning 2? You gonna be 2? What's your name? Kim Kim. I'm Kim Kim. How old are you? How old are you? Don't mind the bathing suit. We just bought that and she wants to keep it on. So, peace out. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kim Kim. Happy birthday to you. Yay! How old are you? 2. Guys, so this is my vlog for my baby's bday weekend. My best friend is here, and so is her dad. And we decided to go out tonight. But gotta go back upstairs because somebody forgot their ID. Huh? Are you serious? And now we don't know how to get back to the car. That's weird. I have to get my ID. Well, alright, we'll be back to you when we make it to the club, if I get my ID. We are out for Camden's birthday weekend without Camden, adult style. We just had to run back to the car because I forgot my license. Say hi to Cam's dad.
What's up, world?
Anyways. Okay. I'm all out of breath. Catch up with you guys later.
Let's go.
Alright, now you ready? Okay. Ready? Set, go!